guys? Welcome back to yet another video of simple technical analysis, and in this video we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. So I'm going to break down the idea of Bitcoin. As rumor has it, many people have committed suicide because of the crypto crash. However, you see, people like me, right, people who are doing simple technical analysis, we don't get it wrong. We can't blow our brains out for any simple breakdown, for any simple breakup, for any simple breakout. None of that, because we're ahead of this market. We're anticipating it. We're plotting. We're looking at the probabilities. We're looking at the possibilities. We're playing out scenarios. We're not just going with what our gut feeling is telling us, right? So yeah, most people commit suicide because of their gut feeling was wrong, or because of what their gut feeling told them, and even their gut feeling told them, yo, kill yourself. But anyways, that's by the way. Today we're going to look at Bitcoin that we spotted out, and we were expecting price to get down today. Did not expect price to make 100% retrace, right? Now let's see what happened next. Price made 100% retrace, broke below that expected zone, this fair value gap over here, this valid point of interest right here, right? It broke through it as if it was nothing. Now it's not nothing, it's still something. I'm going to explain that on the charts. So let's get back to the live chart, shall we? We have this valid zone over here that price broke below. I'm going to explain something real quick. As you can see, this was the point we're expecting price to get to, then bounce off of, but instead it broke through it like it was nothing. Now this point is still a valid point, a point of interest. This data point is still valid. Why? Price broke below, came back, and is currently struggling to break above, so it could give us a retest, give us back that 100% retrace, taking us back to our base where we could then pick up a buy. So that's, by the way, there's something about simple technical analysis, or these data points that may look invalid will one day be useful in the future. So yeah, we could either break down, right? And if we do, it's possible to see that we break down, get to this point, come above here, retest on this point again, and then buy. So now how many times do we use this valid point? This is one, and this is two, because it's going to serve as resistance turning to support. We could also expect this to play out. Market struggles down here a bit, breaks above, comes back here. Yeah, we're still using that zone as a valid zone, and we're going to use it like 2-3 times before we're done with it. This is one thing you can look out for. There are 3 scenarios that I'm looking out for on this price action. Either a strong resistance over here that'll push us down to here, and then we find our entry below. I'm also expecting price to go a little bit higher, because on the 4-hour we have a fair value gap, right? And then take us down here. And I'm also expecting price to just break above, retest, and then start buying from here. So these are 3 possible scenarios that I'm expecting of Bitcoin, right? So yeah, this one is more bearish, this one is warm, and then we have this guy, which is the bullish expectation. Now, expecting this to get to here on the 4-hour, we do have a valid fair value gap on the 4-hour, and if you take a look at this, which I'm just discovering now on the daily, there is a valid gap over here. It's just going to be reversed, right? Still going to be used. We're still going to use this point. So yes, that is by the way. So if we jump down to the 4-hour time frame, right? Now, jumping down to the 4-hour time frame, these are the 3 scenarios I'm expecting off of Bitcoin. But the one that I'm seeing that has more possibilities is this one right now, because we're very warm in it. It's possible that price could just get down to here. However, I'm expecting the main thing to happen on Tuesday, because yes, Tuesday is when the market gets its kick, right? So yeah, with that being said, let's take a look at the other 2 scenarios. Now, apart from that, I'm still looking at this other bearish scenario, which has to do with this market getting up to that 4-hour fair value gap I was talking about, then selling, which still aligns with the daily fair value gap, right? Then now let's take a look at the bullish scenario, which I'm looking at a 40% win rate on this, while this red one I'm looking at least a 60% win rate, and this warm one right here, this orange one, I'm looking at least a 70 to 80% win rate on this, right? But I'm not going to take any of these sells. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the buys. So because we have 2 price action telling us that we might get to this 108k, I'm going to set my entry there. I'm just going to wait and take the buys. So this is what's going to look like. Yeah, this is what's going to look like. I'm going to take the buy, and this buy, right, might take some time to play out, but If I could take us back in time, I'm expecting another one of this. And just so you know, let me just draw that out for you so you know where we took that by. We took that by somewhere around here, right? Now remember, for the fact that our take profit was there, we expected this sell to happen. So this is what it is. This is what it looked like. So I'm a swing trader. I like swinging my trades. I like holding my trades long term, right? So yeah, that's it for Bitcoin. There's not much to be said, right? Follow me on Twitter to get more updates like this. This was 12 hours ago. I talked about the scenarios, or I'm yet to talk about it, but I posted it for people to see. Take a look at this and let me know which one you believe will play out. That's it for Bitcoin. Do well to follow me, and if you found value in this video, do well to hit that like button, subscribe. Have any questions, drop it in the comment sections below. Shout out to everybody who watched this video and stayed to the end. Shout out to everybody who picked up the insights and the value in this video, and a shout out to me who is dropping this information for you guys on the house. Happy trading.